write your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me.
Hey guys, my boyfriend's blowing his nose in the background. So I just got 2 new packages. There's gonna be like 3 or 4 videos of December Amazon unboxing. We just basically woke up because, oh, this is Eric's. Eric, don't come in here for a second. This is Eric's. It's a nice gift. I think he'll like it. It's really cold since they're outside. I can't say what it is. Andrea! Just ignore him. You don't know what he's talking about. Alright, I hit it. Now I got this big box right here. You can come in here now. I'm getting packages a lot because my boyfriend already gave me money for January and February. Or was it December and January? January and February. Cool. This is Adriel's pinata for his birthday next year. This is Adriel. Number 6. Pinata. Eric, do you want to come see the pinata?
I'll see it after.
But this is a pinata, and then I got Eric's other gift, which I can't say what it is again. Well, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!